You know where I go by on YouTube, right?
King Z.
Kayak Z. All right. Yeah, Kayak Z here. Kayak Z. Kayak
King
Z.
Z.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Kayak Z.
King Z.
All right. Kayak Z here, and we're over here, and we're about to go into this beehive. This is actually our first year as beekeepers, and what was it, about April? April this year is when we installed this first package of bees.
You got a lighter to light that joint?
Hey, it's still not lit?
Nah, he lit it early, but it went out
It was
again.
just smoking.
I
That's
know.
what I was saying though.
Oh,
You can't put that much.
You gave me the wet hay.
No, let me see.
I'm about to say, is it wet?
You've been trying to make me
No,
look bad.
man.
Man, you can't play basketball
It's
or
not-
light a fire.
Yeah, it's too much
Go
in there.
home,
You've been
man.
trying to make me look bad.
Yeah, go home. You can't light a fire.
He trying to play with me.
Too much in there.
Too much. You overstuffed it, Zubair.
I overstuffed it.
You put too much in it.
Stuff.
Your hands was wet. Now it's barbecue.
That's straight.
Oh, watch out, watch out.
That's like a one of them
flaming.
fog machines.
Woo.
Get your eyes.
They just kind of catch real good. Then we put some more inside.
I want. Where can you get those from? I just want to have one.
Online.
That's cool.
From China.
In the backyard, put on smoke things.
Chickens. I'm hoping that they're strong, that they're healthy enough to make it through the winter. Hopefully the mite count is low. Oh man, I see a bee with a freaking rural mite on the top. Right here. He got a mite on top.
Yeah, I said a little bump.
Is that him? You see it?
This one. This one. Yeah.
You see it?
Yes, right. What should I do?
And the hive beetles are also not that active, and we got those.
Like this.
Let me get this. A couple of them in there. Dang,
So beetles.
several of them in there.
Get 'em.
I'm gonna squash them like this. They'll build back out the
Dang, there's a lot. There's two right here too.
Or you can just grab them, smush them.
if you can do that. If you can't, I mean, we can afford to mess up some of this cone and get rid of them.
They don't. So the bees don't even attack the beetles
They do when they
when they get annoyed by them.
they'll try to chase them into a corner or somewhere
Oh, sorry.
and block them in.
No, he's looking for some blood now.
Where that joint go? Hey, how did he get this many beetles?
There's a lot of beetles in this joint though. About these like 5.
Is that a lobby? Yeah.
There's one right there. Right there. And that one right there.
I don't want to smash it with the. I'm gonna smash them when it's dry. They don't want to dry.
Make sure that corner's not smashing too many bees.
Right there. I hold it right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, he must have heard us. Dang, right there. I ain't gonna lie. Them just remind me of ticks. They just not as flat.
They were discovered them in like the early 90s.
Bee beetles? I mean,
Oh no, hive beetles. Oh, I think I'm getting that mixed up with the Varroa mite.
I might.
I gotta look it up to see when these
Wait.
hive beetles
One
came.
of these.
When they came on the scene,
Here's another one.
I was petrified.
these hive beetles.
Now I know what y'all
Let
talking
me
about.
put this back.
I remember y'all mentioned them before, like Hive beetle. Like, I'm thinking about a beetle like that I grew up seeing with the wings and nah, not that.
But I've seen some videos with, I'm talking about an infestation of hive beetles in the beehive.
And
You
what
don't
they
want,
do,
you don't want that.
They just take over the hive, basically.
Yeah, they'll take it over
Pretty
there.
much.
The goal is that we can produce, well, the bees can actually make more bees in a hive than they actually have right now going into the winter.
Yeah, and this is see them drinks. You know, this remind me of that movie Candyman, the first one. All them bees.
Coming out of the winter, we're hoping that we have enough bees to make a split. And instead of having this one hive here, we'll have two, right? Two hives in the spring. Um, so that's the goal. And we're going to see how this all works out. We've been really enjoying this experience. And we have a beehive right here. The bees are active today. Um, we had rain for the past, I don't know, 3 days. And today's been the first sunny day. And now the bees have been out foraging on the goldenrod. All right. If as we get closer to the beehive, you can actually smell it's like a cheesy smell of the pollen that they bring in for the goldenrod.
Oh, I can smell the cheese.
Smell the goldenrod. Smells like cheese.
Did you smell the cheesy smell?
Nah, I went over there to try to smell it, but I ain't smell it though.
You can't smell it from right there?
Nah. I don't really eat cheese though. So I don't even know what to check for.
It smells like feet.
Nah, that's probably why I don't eat cheese no more.
So we're going to go into this beehive today, and we're going to prepare it, set it up for the wintertime. We haven't been feeding the bees, but we're going to set up the feeding system so that we can start feeding. Push it down. Oh, this is one. It's on there tight.
Mm-hmm.
Get them to start eating.
What the other?
They're gonna like that.
You're gonna like that, little boys.
Watch tomorrow. It's gonna probably be halfway. They're gonna halfway gone.
Okay.
Yeah. That's quick. Watch. All right. Let me see. I don't know if it moves. We have some beetle traps inside the hive that we're gonna remove. All right. We're gonna take this beetle trap off. We're not gonna go through the winter with these things on.
You want to take them off for the winter?
Yeah.
Are the beetles not a factor for the winter?
They hibernate over the winter with the bees. That's why we try to keep their count low as possible going into the winter.
Right. Yeah, they not too scared of bees no more though.
But they'll set the bees off.
Oh, okay.
Once you set them off, they sting and everything.
All these hive beetles in here and stuff. Yeah, we'll throw this away too. We have a queen excluder inside that we're gonna remove. All right. Haven't seen any hive beetles yet, right?
No.
And we get a. Hopefully, we did a decent job at managing them over the year. Yeah, put a smoke on there, I guess, because I'm about to pop them.
To go down.
Put it, yeah, let it get on them. All right, that's good. They're like, what happened? Where you at?
Oh, shake him on there. Here's the broom. Here's the broom.
That's it. That's it.
That's all of them.
Yep.
Nice.
Also, there's a honey super on top. Since this beehive has been our first beehive, the frames that we started with were bare, so there was no wax on the frames at all. So this year in the spring we started feeding them, and then the bees actually started building out the frames with wax, and so this year we don't really have any honey this year because we're saving it for the bees. This has a little bit on it, but
So they build the hive out.
they're
on that,
eating
right?
this right here. Cause that was we're gonna start feeding them, but this thing was loaded at one time. The little bit of honey that's on the honey super on top, we're actually gonna freeze the honey super. We're gonna put it in the freezer and let it freeze over winter. Then we'll bring it back out in the spring, and then they'll be able to start, with filling up that particular super, and then they can start building out wax on the other ones. I'm over here with my two brothers here. We got Khalil and Hamza. And y'all have any questions about what we're about to do? We're about to go into this hive. Y'all ready?
I believe so.
Let's go. Let go.
All right. So put your hand in that cluster.
That's what.
You don't have, not that hard. Just
Let me just hit him with a little bit of smoke.
I think that one got killed.
Nah,
dead.
he's inside.
Oh, he deposited all the nectar, huh?
So,
So what were they all over there for? Ain't nothing right there. Bees in a barrel.
all right.
hold it up, you can see the
Yeah.
honey in the sun like gold.
Living your life like it's golden. Here you go. Golden, golden.